Hello, my name is Bart Brecka. I'm a surfacing instructor for Design Engine, headquarters in Chicago. I'm going to present one of three-part process in this video of what I call the clay bake challenge. And this model is a water pitcher that's going to be baked in the oven, but in the minutes before it's baked in the oven, the clay settles, and I want to be able to reverse engineer that geometry parametrically. Before I start, however, I'm going to show off our one-week surfacing class. This class is a workshop geared at mechanical engineers looking to work with industrial designers. We also have a workshop for industrial designers who have a high level of Alias or Rhino experience that want to learn Pro Engineer. Now I'm going to walk into the back-end utilities where we have our surfacing tutorials. All of the training material we have is back in this section. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to this water pitcher here. Log in. Okay, this tutorial, I'm going to basically exercise these underlying geometries to get this freeform surface geometry to update parametrically. I'm going to open the file and drag it into my window. Okay, you can see the underlying geometry there. Now, if I double click on this geometry and stretch it slightly, the geometry updates. Okay, and this is what I mean by parametrically controlling the amount of clay, the amount of weight the clay is going to have before it's baked. I can increase and decrease this geometry so that we call it proving form, of course, but now I'm going to log into just delete some of this geometry and kind of show off how it's built. Okay, if I wanted to make the pedal hold ice as it strikes out of the geometry, I would want to increase or decrease the size here. So I'm going to turn it a little tighter. At the bottom, you can see I've got a piece of geometry that controls how deep the crevice might need to be. I can increase and decrease this geometry. So I've got what I consider to be something extremely robust and flexible. I'm going to take this geometry and move it as well. Okay, so this is what I mean by parametrically controlling underlying surface geometries. Okay, thank you very much. That's the introduction to this three-part video series called the Clay Bake Challenge. Thank you very much.